In Civil Site Design version 26 onwards, all platform users now have the option to directly import multiple LAS point cloud files. To do this, we're going to be operating via Toolspace. All we need to do is to right click on CSD surfaces and choose the Create Update from LAS. This option now replaces the previous option which used to be found inside Model Viewer, which is no longer available. You don't have to select a single file, you can select multiple files as I'm going to do now and then click on Open. If you're importing multiple files or even a single file which has more than 2 million points, we'd recommend that you use the downsample on the voxel size. So essentially a voxel is a 3D cube or pixel in Civil Site Design to represent a grid across a surface. Now when we create a surface from point clouds, the downsampling analyzes each of the cube's contents to reduce what we call redundancy. So the smaller the voxel size preserves more detail. Now we're going to leave this as it is because this will help us show you another feature found in Surface Manager called Adaptive Decimation. If you did decide that you wanted a downsample, you can click downsample here. You can see that point count has been reduced. If you want to reset it, you can click Reset Data, and that sets it back to the original value. We're going to click Create Surface. You'll then need to give the surface a name. It will be prefixed with LAS. We're just going to call this point cloud and then click OK. Once the process is complete, you'll be provided with a single Civil Site Design surface in the drawing. We'll head to Surface Manager and just quickly review this particular surface. You can see the surface has been added with the prefix LAS. We're going to right click on CSD surfaces and choose Surface Manager. Now, depending on the number of surfaces you brought in, that process may take a little bit of time. What we'll do is we'll just head down to the Statistics tab. If we click Update, this will show you the total number of points that have been brought in. Now, if you remember, we actually had over 2 million points and we chose not to downsample, and you can see we've got 1.6 million points. And the reason for this is because a tool called Adaptive Decimate, which is found in Civil Site Design version 26, has actually kicked in. And what this will automatically do is reduce the point cloud data, or any surface data for that matter, where the point count is over 2 million points, to prevent crashes from large files. All it's doing is simplifying the flat areas and refining complex ones, and it's preserving surface accuracy while it's removing the excess data. This process will activate when point limits are exceeded and requires no user input, so we'll actually automatically go in and do this for you.